Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Piyush Swinning Khare and you are watching the Piyuverse. So I did a community post on YouTube asking that if you guys have any questions, and so I received a lot of questions. The first part has already been uploaded, so you can go check it out. And the question is this. So for this second part, the question is, what kinds of skills do we need while pursuing aerospace engineering or / aeronautical engineering? So I have addressed this quite a few times in my previous videos, but to be very clear with that and to tell all of you these things in very short, first of all, make sure that from your first year, you are very thorough with your basics. You are not leaving your basics behind. You're not just, ratifying your papers just for the sake of your giving exams or just for the sake of marks. Start with your basics, keep your basics strong. But now by the time of your second year, it depends on you if you want to start it in your first year, but I would suggest live your first year, understand your first year, and get comfortable with the kind of subjects, with the kind of everything that is coming. And after that, from second year, start learning softwares. And the first software according to the priority that you must know first to just get a hint of what is coming. The first software would be CATIA or CAD, and then after you can move on to SolidWorks, you can move on to CFD, ANSYS. So these are the few softwares that you can learn. And after that, if you have an interest, if you develop an interest in drones and everything, you can learn flight controller things, how the automation works, how the propeller works and everything. So basically, by the time of second year, when you are starting learning these softwares, you will get an idea on what do we say, in what part of the aerospace engineering or the aeronautical thing you are interested. Are you interested in propulsion? Are you interested in thermodynamics? Are you interested in drones, UAVs and everything? So you can see according to that. So according to that, I would say learn software. The skills you need is software. If you love coding or if you can learn coding, please do that. Python, C++ are great and it will be great. And then after that, learn some simulation software such as MATLAB, Simulink. So talking about skills overall, what you can do is you can learn softwares, coding or automations. That can be very important to you, but also not leave your basics behind. Be thorough with your basics because basics and your skills can go very hand in hand. Also talking about the skills, it is not only important to learn the softwares and everything, you also have to gain hands-on experience. That is practical knowledge. You have to work. Okay, so if you sit in an interview and they ask you, do you know about drone? Yes, you will say yes, I know about drones. But they will also ask you, have you worked on it? So if you say no, then your chances of getting that interview will be totally gone. So it's better that if you are in your third year and you are getting any chance, paid also. Yes, paid means you pay and get to learn drones parts and everything. How does a drone work and how to operate drones and everything? Go for that. Learn your skills by third year. So what I was saying, that practical knowledge is important. Exactly, practical knowledge is important. Whenever you get a chance to see how an engine works, how this works, how that works, even by what do we say, even after you have to pay and do that thing, do that. Coming to the end of the video, I would like to just say you can start with is learning softwares, then go for any language if you want to, C, coding, and etc. Then go for simulation software such as Simulink, MATLAB, etc. And then after, hands-on knowledge, like practical knowledge is more important, like going into the industry and then working on with your hands, seeing it with your naked eye. All these things are important. So I hope you got all the information that you wanted. And if not, please comment down below. I'm happy to answer you all. So yes, with this, thank you for watching and subscribe for more.